Welcome to my kitchen, a place that doesn't get used very often, but when it does, sometimes things turn out great. And today I want to share with you one of my recipes. So today I want to show you how I make my crispy chicken bites. With my chicken, I'm just using chicken breast. You can use chicken breast or you can use chicken on a bone. So first off, you want to chop up your chicken if you're using chicken breast into small cubes. In one bowl, you want to mix milk, lemon juice, vinegar, black pepper, and salt. Now with my recipe, I don't have exact measurements because depending on how much chicken you're using, your measurements are going to be different. So you just want to use your own judgment on how much ingredients to use on the amount of chicken you have. So once you have your ingredients mixed in a bowl, put your chicken inside the bowl and let it sit anywhere from 2 hours or overnight in the fridge. When you're ready for the next step, grab another bowl, and in this bowl you want to put flour, starch, turmeric, black pepper, basil, oregano, thyme, ginger powder, paprika, rock salt, and garlic powder. Combine all these ingredients together. You're also going to need one other bowl with just plain water and a plate to put your chicken bites on after. I will be using a deep fryer. I bought this deep fryer from Walmart a couple years ago and I really like it. So if you're looking for a small deep fryer, this is a really nice one. I set this deep fryer to 375. So now it's time to batter your chicken. So using tongs, place your chicken into your dry mixture one at a time. Rolling your chicken around in the dry ingredients until it's completely coated. And then place it in your water for at least 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, remove it from the water and put it back into your dry mixture, giving it another coat. Depending on how crispy you like it, you can repeat this process anywhere from 2 to 3 times. Placing it back into the water for 5 seconds. Continuing with all the other pieces you have. So one mistake I made was I used the same tongs in the dry mixture and in the water. This makes your tongs sticky. You want to use separate tongs in each of the containers so you don't end up having sticky tongs. So just continue this process with the rest of your chicken. Once your deep fryer is hot enough, you're ready to put your chicken into your deep fryer. Placing them in gently so you don't burn yourself, and making sure they're somewhat separate so they don't stick together. Leave them fry for a few minutes until the chicken is cooked. Continue battering the rest of your chicken. So when you think your chicken is ready, you want to take out a piece just to make sure it is cooked all the way through and is not pink. As you can see, our chicken is crispy on the outside, and the chicken is done. Once you see all your chicken is cooked, go ahead and take out the remaining pieces. And now you have yourself some crispy chicken bites. Your chicken batter is crispy and the chicken inside is tender and juicy. And still kind of hot. Just continue cooking the rest of your chicken pieces. And there you go, how to make homemade crispy chicken bites. I hope you enjoy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for all new videos. Thanks for watching.